Hello, this is Joe Rich, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I fixed this DJI Osmo Action after I experienced an issue of not powering on with this simple and easy trick. So stay tuned in my video and see how I did it. Let's go! DJI Osmo Action is a very popular action camera that is known for its excellent video and image quality. However, users may encounter issues with the camera not powering on, which can be quite frustrating as a video editor. One of the most common causes of this issue is a dead battery, which can be easily resolved by charging your camera. However, if the battery is charged and the camera still won't power on, the problem could be a result of a hardware malfunction. In such cases, one solution that has proven to be effective is using a hot blower to power on your DJI Osmo Action. And here's how I did it. First is you need to have a hot blower. You can easily find a hot blower at a local hardware or online store. Make sure that the blower you choose has a narrow nozzle to direct the hot air precisely to the desired area. Second is to locate your DJI Osmo Action battery. The battery is located inside the camera and it is often indicated by a battery icon and usually at the bottom of your camera. Next is to use the hot blower. Direct the hot air into the battery area for about 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure to keep the blower at a safe distance and do not blow the hot air directly into your camera lens. Next is to try to power on the camera. After blowing hot air into the battery area, try to power on the camera. If the issue was caused by the hardware malfunction, the hot air can help to loosen up the connections and allow your camera to power on. If the camera still won't power on, repeat the process a few times until it powers on. It is important to note that using a hot blower is not a guaranteed solution. It's not a guaranteed solution, guys. Not guaranteed. And it may not work in all cases. If your camera still won't power on after multiple attempts, it is recommended to take your camera to a professional for repair. Once again, if you're experiencing issues with your DJI Osmo Action not powering on just like mine, using a hot blower could be a simple and effective solution. However, if your camera still won't power on after multiple attempts, it is best to take it to a professional for repair. Thank you for watching this video and I hope this helps you out. Bye!